I'm going to tell you really quick why you need a real estate agent if you're going to purchase a new construction home this year, next year, any year. Anyway, the sales rep office represents the builder. Always remember that. They do not represent you. They might be nice to you and all that kind of stuff. They do not represent you. They are not going to explain the contract to you. Now, they are going to make you use their contract with their terms in it and all of that kind of stuff. You need to make sure that you understand that. So you need representation to help you understand something like that. Hello, that's a legal document. You don't want to get sued if you do something wrong. You need somebody looking at that. That's maybe somebody like me, a real estate agent in your local market. You are probably thinking, how hard can this possibly be? Well, at first, it might not be hard. It's going to be so fun and so exciting and all that good jazz. And when it comes time for all of your walkthroughs, you're going to have questions. And the builder is just going to tell you what they want to tell you. If you don't know what you don't know, but your real estate agent is going to know, is going to be able to ask questions on your behalf during every step, every walkthrough, all of that. If you do not get a third-party home inspector, you are buying new construction all wrong. All wrong. You do not need to use the builder's home inspector. You need to do the home inspector, use the home inspector that somebody has either recommended or you found them because they had great reviews, whatever the case may be. This is why that home inspector is going to go in and look at every nook and cranny. And for the most part, things are probably going to be fine. Let me tell you a story. One time, my buyers were buying a new construction home. They hired a third-party home inspector. That third-party home inspector found a broken truss in the attic. What? He found a broken truss in the attic. Had the buyers just done their final walkthrough and all that kind of stuff with the builder, they wouldn't have found that, because let's just go up in there. They open it and be like, okay, here is a couple of your units, your HVAC unit or your heat pump or whatever. They're going to show you that's just where your fan is. There's really nothing to put up there. You're going to glance in there. You're not going to inspect the trusses to make sure that they are not broken. It could happen to anybody. Broken trusses, a cracked truss, whatever the case may be, that can happen to anybody. But what if it's not caught? That is the problem. So we went to Mr. Builder and we said, we have just a little problem. And then we showed him the pictures, we showed him the home inspection report. There's a couple other little small tweaks and things like that that we needed the builder to take care of before my clients were willing to sign any papers to make it officially there. The builder was so apologetic. I am so sorry. I can't believe we missed this. Yada. Then he had it fixed within the next few days and certified. I said, that's something holding your whole house up. It better be certified. So he obviously was like, no, we need to fix this, which is fantastic. And this is why you just communicate. But are you going to know that if you don't have a real estate agent? Well, you are now, because I just told you. But if you're in the area, you better do not buy new construction without a real estate agent. Unless you're a real estate agent and you know what you're doing. So hire a real estate agent when you're about to purchase your new construction home. Got it?